Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So, this is a printer that I got during college, and during college it stopped working. It got really shitty, it broke a lot. It rarely worked as much as I needed to.
So we're gonna fix it.
So we're gonna fix it. All right, you ready? You got the good
Yeah.
establishing shot?
Well, we got it apart.
That was a good start.
We took it apart. Now we have to get into the guts.
Yeah, this we want to not break.
No, we're not breaking, we're fixing.
We're fixing it. But it's want to be careful not to break that part because it's got chemicals. So now we're getting into the good stuff. You can see there's like electric panels and wiring.
That's where we need to fix it. Oh, that did good. We got the cord off.
Got the cord out. That was good. Danny's home.
Okay. Oh, you got the tray out.
Well, that's good.
The tray never really came out good, so
No, it never really did.
we fixed it.
All right.
Now we got to get into the inside so we can fix the internal.
Yeah, we gotta get inside.
The internal electronics.
This is a pretty standard process.
I think you got in. You're almost in.
I'm almost through. Let me try and. There we go.
There we go. There.
That's me.
That's
good.
where. That's where we needed to go.
Yeah.
We should put this on YouTube, like fix it. You know, like.
Yes.
So, I don't think the sides are where we really want them to be.
Yes, I agree. I think we can do a little relocation internally.
There we go.
Pretty good one right through it.
Oh, there we go.
That's what we wanted.
Now
that was good.
Now we can get inside.
Now we can get really into good stuff. Do the same to the other side.
There, we got into the electronics.
There we go.
I think the tray needs some minor adjustments.
This one?
Yes. That's minor.
Was that minor?
Yes.
Let's do one more for the guts. That was good.
Okay.
Alright, I think she's fixed. Do you want to stop recording?
We fixed it.
We fixed it.